Welcoming a newborn is a beautiful journey, but feeding them can feel overwhelming. You're bombarded with advice from every direction. It can be hard to know what to listen to, but you've got this. Your instincts are already telling you what your little one needs. Today, we'll guide you through feeding your newborn, from breastfeeding basics to understanding your baby's cues. Trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Breast milk is often called liquid gold because it's a perfectly balanced superfood for your baby. Breastfeeding is like learning a new dance with your little one. It takes time, patience, and practice. Nurse frequently, ideally every 2 to 3 hours, or whenever your baby shows early hunger cues. Ensure your baby takes a deep latch, covering the areola, to prevent sore nipples and ensure effective feeding. If you're experiencing discomfort, reach out to a lactation consultant. Relax, enjoy the journey, and trust that your body knows exactly what to do. Choosing to formula feed is a wonderful decision. What matters most is that your baby is fed, loved, and thriving. Choose a high-quality formula designed for newborns and mix it accurately. Always sterilize the bottle and check the temperature before feeding. Feeding time is bonding time, so cuddle close, make eye contact, and shower your little one with love. Those little connections make all the difference. Finding a comfortable feeding position is crucial for both you and your baby. Make sure your baby's head is slightly elevated to prevent choking and ensure smooth milk flow. Use pillows for support and experiment until you find what works best. Pay attention to your baby's cues and adjust your position for comfort. Burping your baby after feeding helps release trapped air that can cause discomfort. Hold your baby upright against your chest, with their chin on your shoulder, and gently pat or rub their back. Another method is to place your baby face down on your lap, supporting their chin and jaw, and gently pat or rub their back. If those methods don't work, try laying your baby on their back and gently bicycling their legs. Every baby is different, so don't be discouraged if you don't get a burp every time. As long as your baby seems comfortable and content, you're doing great. Remember, burping is an important step to ensure your baby's comfort. One of the most common questions new parents have is, how often should I feed my baby and how much should I offer? Every baby is different, but newborns typically eat every 2 to 3 hours. If you're bottle feeding, start with 1 to 2 ounces per feeding. Watch for your baby's cues. Early hunger signs like rooting or sucking on their hands. If they turn their head away or fall asleep during a feeding, they're likely full. Feeding time is about nurturing, bonding, and responding to your baby's needs. Trust your instincts and adjust feedings based on your baby's cues. Recognizing when your baby has had enough is important. Signs of fullness include turning their head away, closing their mouth tightly, or falling asleep during a feeding. Watch for a combination of cues to determine if they're full. Overfeeding can lead to discomfort and spit up, so trust your baby's cues. Don't force them to finish a feeding if they're showing signs of fullness. Pay attention to your baby's signals to ensure they're comfortable and content. Taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your baby. If you're breastfeeding, staying hydrated is crucial. Drink a glass of water every time you nurse. Maintain a balanced diet with nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. Make time for yourself even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Those small acts of self-care can make a world of difference in your overall well-being. Feeding your newborn is more than just providing nutrition. It's a bonding experience that builds trust and love. It's those quiet moments, skin to skin, gazing into your little one's eyes, that create a deep and lasting connection. Remember, every baby is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Trust your instincts, listen to your baby's cues, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. You're doing an amazing job, parents. Take it one step at a time, and remember, you're doing great. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on caring for your little one.